Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Now before I talk about this particular video, just wanted to mention if you haven't watched my most recent video that I posted earlier today, please do so because today is Sample Source's spring launch, which means a box of free goodies, free samples, and free product coupons. So I don't know by the time you're watching this if it's still available, but I would certainly give it a try and see if you too would qualify. Again, just watch the video. All the information is on that video. So now let's get to the reason as to why you're watching this video. I am going to share with you how you can get a free, yes, you heard me, free smart thermostat for your home. So my thermostat went from looking like this one, this Honeywell, over 20 years old, ancient, old school, digital thermostat, to looking like this new state-of-the-art Nest Smart thermostat. And look how beautiful it looks and how sleek and so user-friendly to use. So if you want to know how you too can get a free installed, no money down, no nothing for your home, please keep on watching. So let me begin by saying that in no way, shape, or form am I being sponsored for this video at all. They don't even know that I'm doing this. I just thought this was such a wealth of great information that it was too good not to share with my friends on here. So again, I'm going to share with you how you too can get one of these smart thermostats for free for your house. So what you need to do first is you need to go to this website. It's the Green Ontario Fund. So in other words, it's www.greenon.ca. So again, right now I'm speaking specifically for Ontario. I'm not sure if this program is available for any other provinces, so you may want to look up that in your area if you're not in Ontario, but let's speak specifically to Ontario residents. So again, you go to this page here, or if you don't have access, you can certainly call this number here. It's 1-888-728-8444. So once you go onto the website, this is the home page you come across, the very first page. What you want to do is go to My Home right over here. So you click on that. And what you're going to do is enter a postal code, or not your postal code. Once you enter the postal code, this is all the information you'll see. So let's go straight to what this video is about. We want a free thermostat. You want this one, which is the third one, a no-cost thermostat in-home energy review. So you click on that, and it's going to bring you to this page. Let's scroll down and see if, first of all, if you can even participate. So who can participate? Homeowners or renters living in a single, detached, semi-detached, townhome, or row homes are eligible to partake. If you rent, you will be contacted about submitting a landlord consent form. Similarly, if you are an owner or a manager of a rental property, you will need your tenant's permission to participate. Do you live in an apartment or condo? You may be interested in a rebate. So it's a $100 rebate for Ontario homes. In this case, I am a homeowner. So what am I going to get? So there are three choices you can choose from. So you're not restricted to only the Nest. You have the choice of the Ecobee 3 light thermostat, the Honeywell Lyric T6 thermostat, and the Nest thermostat. So you can learn a little bit more about these benefits by clicking on each of them and see which one is suited for your lifestyle, your home. And this is all you have to do. So you will need to register. So you can either apply online here on this website, or again, if you prefer to speak to someone on the phone, you can call this number here. And once the application has been submitted, you will receive an email confirming your registration with the program. Once that's done, that's step number 1, we move on to step number 2. You book an appointment. So once your registration is confirmed, again, you will receive an email within 2 weeks to book your appointment. You select your appointment date and time and preferred smart thermostat model. So at that time, you do have to have the thermostat model that you want. They'll make sure to have it in stock. And you will need to sign a participant agreement as well as agree to the smart thermostat manufacturer's terms of use and privacy policy. Keep in mind that due to the overwhelming popularity of this program, your time slot for appointment may be sometime within the next 4 months. And I think that's what it took me. Actually, I believe it might have been 6 months for me because I applied in October of 2017, if I'm not mistaken, and I just got this installed. Well, today is Tuesday, March 20th, and I got it installed just this past Friday. I only got around to doing this video now. So again, they mention it could take up to 4 months or maybe less, regardless. So once that's done, we move ahead to step number 3. They come to your home. On the date of your appointment, a Green Ontario Installations Program representative will arrive as scheduled to install your chosen smart thermostat and complete your home energy review. So just so you know, with myself on Friday, there was 2 people that came to my door. One was removing my old thermostat, and they take that away, and installing the new thermostat. And while that person was doing that, I had the other representative right beside him just ask me a couple of questions, and these were not very invasive questions. These were more questions as, when were your windows last replaced? How old is your furnace? Do you normally use cold water when washing your clothes and dishes and what have you? What temperature do you have your home during the day? What temperature do you have your home during the evening? What temperature do you have it during the winter versus what temperature do you have it in the summer? So just general questions, because I understand they just want to know your energy consumption, because again, this is a smart thermostat, so it's to reduce the amount of energy that we use during high peak, low peak, and that what have you. And the whole installation from the time they walked in to the time they left, I think was a total of 15 minutes, if that. And I just had to, at the end, fill out a 1-question survey of how satisfied I was with the program overall. And that's all there was to it. Now, whether or not they do some follow-up, trying to, I don't know, sell you windows or sell you a new furnace or sell you a new air conditioning, that I do not know, because as I said, it was only done on Friday. But the whole process itself was super easy and non-invasive. So I would definitely recommend it based on what I've experienced to date. So if you're in Ontario and you qualify for these points that I've mentioned, I would definitely consider this program. Again, what is there to lose? It's free. You're getting a free thermostat. My thermostat, I did look up at Home Depot, and I think it was like $250 plus tax. So you're getting a free thermostat valued at $250. So I think that was a great deal. So one of the best things about it, you can actually control your thermostat away from your home. So let's say you're on vacation and you put it on eco-friendly mode, meaning like everything's pretty much shut off, and it's and you're coming back in the middle of a heat wave. So your house, you know, you're not looking forward to coming to your house because the AC is shut off and it's sweltering hot. Well, guess what? The day before you leave on your vacation, there's an app that you have on your phone, and they help install that for you when they're installing your thermostat. So you can actually control the heat or air away from your home, so you can make sure that it's cool by the time you get home. So you come home to a nice, cool, fresh house. So again, a lot more pros than cons to getting this thermostat. So that concludes this little video here for you. So I hope you too are able to take advantage of this great offer that our province is able to offer us. And let me know down below if you will take this offer, or maybe you have already and this is not new to you, and maybe if you have, which thermostat did you choose and are you happy with it? I can tell you right now, as of now, I am super happy with it. So again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something from me today. And if not, stay tuned. There'll be a lot more videos coming your way. And like always, I will talk to you in my next video, hopefully sooner than later. Bye everyone. Have a fabulous day.